Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I was able to achieve this look, and it looks like a sew-in with some leave out on the front, and I'm going to show you guys. It's kind of long, it comes up to here, very lightweight. It's more of a straight look. This is what the back looks like. And I'm laughing because would you believe that this is actually a half wig? This is not a sew-in. It's not a lace wig or a full wig. I know you can't really tell, but this is a half wig. And I'm going to be sharing with you all today how I was able to achieve this look. So if you want to find out how I was able to achieve this seamless sew-in style, stay tuned. Okay. So I was able to take it out. Now look at this. Isn't she gorgeous? I love this. Would you believe that I've had this for about a year and a half, maybe 2 years? I've had this hair. Originally when I got it online, it was just tracks, right? So my first application of this hair, I just sewed it onto my hair. I love the quality, y'all. This hair does not shed barely. And I got 3 bundles. Like I said, the first application was a sew-in, and I used all 3, but it was super thick. So I went ahead, and once I took it out, I mean, I just love wigs. I don't know about you, but I love to be able to moisturize my hair and everything like that. So when I took it out, I went ahead and made a wig out of it. I sewed a wig with some clip-ins right here, and there's one at the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and show you all how I install this. Very quick and very easy. Okay, so first, my hair is pretty much, I have the leave out right here, and in the back, I have just bobby pins. Okay, I know I'm looking kind of crazy. So basically what I do is, I'm going to take the bobby pins out. I just used 2. So my hair is pretty much like this. Okay, and I love half wigs because you can still moisturize your hair underneath. Your hair is not going for weeks and days at a time without getting that moisturize and that care that it kind of needs. So I'm able to still do this every day while achieving a different style and a different look. So basically my hair is down right now. I'm going to go ahead and just part off the leave out that I want. And I'm using my hands. I mean, you can use a ragtail comb, whatever gets the job done for you, but I'm very informal. When I like to get ready in the morning, I am super fast. I have 3 little ones, and I am the last one to get ready. Any mamas out there know what I mean? Like, you take care, you make sure your kids are looking right, and then you are the last one. So another reason why I love wigs, I can throw that on and feel like $1,000,000. Okay, so I have all my leave out right now. So I'm going to go ahead and part it down, and I'm basically just sectioning into two sections like you would if you were to wear 2 pigtails, and bobby pinning each side down. Now my leave out is out. Got my hair. Let's see. I just take my hair and just kind of do this. Now one of the clips, I'm going to go ahead and secure this part right here, clip it down. The other side is going to be right here. You just kind of snap it, adjust the back, snap it in. Sometimes I don't even need to snap that part in, but you can if you want that extra security. And you guys, look at this. What? I'm done. How long was that? Somebody time me. Girl, you ready to go. Your kids looking fly, you looking fly, you cover up the tracks real quick. You can style this multiple ways, which I do. I have so much fun with this hair. But yeah, look at this. Beautiful. Tuck it in behind your ear. The tracks are hidden. Nice. Tuck this part in for more of a conservative look, whatever you want to call it. And you guys, I'm ready to walk out the door. Super easy, super fun. Like I said, you can moisturize your hair daily for that healthy self-care that you're going to be doing to just nurture your hair, make sure that your hair is good underneath. You can wash it weekly, like I try to do, deep condition it, anything. You're taking this baby out at night. It's not going to be pulling on your hair all night. Love, 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 love half wigs. I love it because you can still get that look of being, you know, maybe fresh out of the salon or getting a fresh sew-in. So, and like I said, you can do multiple styles with it. You can do a ponytail look if you want it. What I like to do is sometimes I like to take the ends, or not the ends, the sides out. And I can't really do tight ponytails anymore. I don't know if it's because I'm older or something, but sometimes they give me headaches. But sometimes I can just do like one of those big braids at the back. And you guys, just get that cute, simple look. I don't know if you can see it, but anyways, I hope you like this video. I'm going to be doing tons of styles like this. Just inspiration, just motivational, something to kind of just get your spirits moving. I'm also going to be having natural hair because my daughter's hairs are natural. So if you want some more of this look, stay tuned.